Hello, welcome back. Nate here. So you want to know how to completely reduce or completely eliminate nervousness while you're speaking in public? Listen on, I've got 3 minutes to tell you. All right, so we got the timer, shabam, and we're going. Okay, so here's the briefest explanation I can give without going into all the science and that kind of thing. Nervousness is a reaction in our minds that something is dangerous is going on, like you don't belong on stage, or you've been told in the past that you shouldn't speak up, okay? Now, either one of those reasons are pretty strong, compelling reasons to get you in a fight or flight or freeze mode when you're up on stage. So it's as simple as your mind has these ideas in it that you got from your past, whether when you were a little child or something, and it came back and it's like, I don't deserve to be here, or this is freaking me out, or people are gonna laugh at me. A lot of things will go on, and your mind is conditioned with that. So when you walk up on stage, it immediately sends all sorts of signals to your body, like this is dangerous. So what happens is, one, you'll tighten up in your core. You can't really see here, but yeah, you'll tighten up in your core, and that it starts restricting the flow of blood and oxygen, which makes your brain seize up. That's where you get the freeze and the deer in the headlights, like, oh, like, what am I doing? That's where you get the shaky hands and the shaky knees. It's because the flow of oxygen is restricted. All right, enough about why it happens. Now, when you are in that moment, just know, first of all, that this is just a story that your brain is telling you, and it's not true. That ball of nervousness and confusion inside of you is actually a ball of energy, and it can be interpreted either way. It can be, this is exciting and I'm going to help these people a lot, or it can be, I'm going to freak out and I'm going to die, right? Now, as far as the physiological response, the first and most important thing I could tell you within 3 minutes is breathe. And I know it sounds simple, but if you're up there, take a few deep breaths and you go in through your nose, down, as big as you can go, and then out through your mouth. And do as many of those as you need to recalibrate yourself and become more present. Because when you're in that freak out mode, you're all in your brain and you're not thinking about anything else. Like, it's almost a blindness because you're up on stage that way. Your hands are shaking, all that stuff. So take a few deep breaths and realign yourself away from the situation. You can say, okay, there's a clock, there's a rug, there's a curtain, and I'm right here, I'm wearing jeans. Do that several times until you start realizing, okay, I am just here and I am present. And while you're doing that, keep breathing, and then take your focus back and deliver what you're up there to deliver. All right, guys, hopefully that's helpful. Oh, 27 seconds left. My goodness, I'm getting good at this. This is awesome. All right, guys, this channel is all about 3-minute hacks to public speaking. This is the best of the best. I've distilled everything into 3 minutes for you, from years of experience performing and public speaking, presenting and sales, and blah, 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 blah. I could go on and on. But if that is useful to you, would love if you would subscribe, and we'll see you next week.